What's up, guys? It's Matt from TDM Style here, and welcome back to my bar for another episode of Favorites. So this is obviously quite long overdue, because this is my fall favorites video, and we're like basically at the end of December right now. But so sorry for the wait on this. It's just been one of those things that other products kept coming out and things kept coming up that I wanted to cover, and now it's almost January. So let's get started right away. So grab yourself a tasty beverage, kick back, relax, and let's talk about some of my favorite products that I've been using for the last few months. Alright, now before we get started, I do want to give a quick shout out. Today's outfit is brought to you by Trendy Butler, the December box. I had actually planned to do a normal, like, monthly unboxing video for that, as I've been doing, and I actually filmed the whole fucking thing, and then mistakes were made, and I lost all the goddamn footage. So, instead of an unboxing, today we just have a feature. We've got this nice kind of sweatshirt from 11 Paris. I look very French today, and I'm into it. Alright, now as usual, I've separated these into kind of shower stuff, a little bit of skin and beard, and then the hairstyling products, of course. So let's start over here with the shower section, and first I just want to talk a little bit about SH2 shampoo and the CD2 conditioner from Patrick's. So obviously these are a thing that not everybody is going to necessarily want to buy. I mean, they're fucking expensive. They're like $42 each, which, I mean, that's a big price tag. But I have to be honest, the luxury is a thing, man. Like, this is a set that absolutely gives you that feeling like you just came home from the salon. Your hair feels amazingly soft and just it has a nice natural shine to it. It's light, it's bouncy, it's totally clean. So if you're looking to just like spend a little more money and kind of live your extra life and have a really luxurious shower experience, definitely give those a try. However, if you're not looking to spend quite that much dough, we also have the Pure Duo here from the Salon Guy. I know I featured this in my summer favorites video, and I had to feature it again because this is like my go-to fallback shampoo and conditioner now. These are amazing. As I mentioned before, it's like the more you use these, the healthier your hair feels. Once again, this is total salon experience, so when you wash your hair with these, it just feels amazing. And honestly, I think they do like just about as good a job as these Patrick's ones for less than half the price. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to give a special shout out to this viral ColorPosit conditioner. Ever since I've started coloring my hair funky colors, these have been a staple in my shower because they make shampoos and conditioners with this ColorPosit technology. So essentially, it's almost like doing a glaze of color as you wash your hair. The shampoos are a little too drying. I prefer the conditioners, but they make a million different colors. So this, of course, is the red one since I've been going with this red hair color for the past couple months. And I guess in that vein, we can give a quick shout out to the Guy Tang Crimson Spell color that's been going in my hair because I am fucking obsessed with it. I can't get enough, so this color is going to be sticking around for a bit longer. Alright, next up, I don't have much in the skincare department, and that's, once again, as was the case in my summer favorites video, that's basically because my skincare routine has just been all Kiehl's, and nothing has really changed there. So I've got, I've been using their Cucumber Herbal Face Wash and Toner, their Standard Ultra Face Cream Moisturizer. But one new thing that I have been trying is this. They're calling this Eye Fuel. This is like an under-eye cream to help reduce dark circles and kind of tighten up the skin under the eyes. And I've been experimenting with various eye creams for a while because it's one of those things that they don't necessarily work for everybody, so you do have to kind of experiment and try things out. And I believe that this is like a reformulation of, I can't remember what it was called, but they had one that it looked exactly like this previously that they discontinued, and this is kind of their new version of that. And it's been working pretty well. And in the kind of Skin Arena. I've just got a couple of beard oils here. As you can see, I've been growing out my beard since the beginning of November, so I've been using a lot of beard oil and beard balms and things just to try to keep it nice and soft. And my two favorites that I've used thus far, I've got the vanilla and mango one from Apothecary 87. This is nice. It smells great. I mean, it's sweet smelling. It kind of smells like candy. But it works quite well. And even, honestly, better than that is this Alfresco one from the Salon Guy. This one I find is a little more slick feeling than this. Like, this almost feels like a hair serum, whereas this is a bit of, I guess you could call it like a drier oil, so it doesn't feel quite as slick on your hands. But this one, both of them are great. They both keep my beard really soft. I love the smell on both of them, and it's definitely worth doing a beard oil if you're trying to grow this out to keep it from being too prickly. Alright, now moving on to the hairstyling product arena, and honestly, I've just got two new products here, and the other three are ones that I've been using for a long time now. They're kind of fallbacks, and the main reason for that is, like, throughout the whole fall season, I've been testing a shitload of new products. And honestly, I wasn't blown away by really any of them. I do have a couple that are very recent that are not here yet, basically because they came out like right at the end of November, so I didn't think it would be quite fair to include those in fall favorites since I hadn't been using them this whole time. So those will probably be included later in the winter favorites video. But one of the newer products that I have been using this fall season has been this new sleek argan oil based smoothing serum from the Salon Guy. This has just been an absolute favorite pre-styler for me lately. I mean, I still of course love my 25 spray and like the Moroccan oil smoothing lotion and stuff, but this is just like the king of serums as far as I'm concerned. It just works amazing. It makes your hair feel so smooth. It just gives it a nice natural shine, and it really helps the blow drying process to get rid of any frizz or anything, and it's so light, which is not something that I can say about many other serums. So, like, if you're still using Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, girl, it's time to upgrade yourself and get yourself one of these. Now, for my fallback products, these have been the three that I just use all the time in my personal time. We've got the Fuertes Clay here. Obviously, this is not their normal retail jar. Frankie is just an awesome person, and he sent me this massive fucking jar full of his clay. So I won't be running out of that for any time soon. Then we've got, of course, OG Clutch from the Salon Guy. This is something that I just use like when I am going out somewhere and I want to know that my hair is gonna just stay put and look the way that I want. This, I know exactly how it's gonna work, so it's just always one that I can count on. And then thirdly, we've got Patrick's M2, and once again, I talked about this in my summer favorites video, but again, it's just fucking luxury, man. Like, yeah, it's expensive, it's a $60 hair product, but it feels like a $60 hair product. Like, it makes your hair feel so soft. It's got a nice texture. It's got a nice medium hold. The scent on it is just fucking unbelievable. The scent on all three of these is great, honestly. Like, it's just like the perfect trifecta. And the other new product that I've been using for a while now is this Silkening Mist. This is a shine spray from Kenra. This is something that my hairstylist uses on me and my wife, actually, in the salon, and we just had to buy it because it just works so well. It smells fucking amazing, first of all. It basically just smells like candy. It like just smells delicious. And it just works great. It's very lightweight, and it just leaves your hair with like the perfect amount of natural shine, and it just looks and feels really soft and healthy. So this is a great finishing product, especially if you have like a drier, coarser hair type like me. And that's pretty much it. Although I do want to mention, I always like burn a candle when I do these videos, just because aesthetics and stuff. But I do want to give a shout out to these soy candles from the Salon Guy. I mean, I've got a lot of his products here today, but man, like, I keep rebuying his candles, the Forest and Fidelio. They both smell incredible, and they actually, I gave a set of them as a Christmas present to my sister-in-law, because every time that she comes over and we've had them burning, she's like, man, they smell great, and she mentioned that they really fill up the room. Like when you walk into the room, you can smell that candle, and it has a nice, like, stronger presence. It just really fills up the space nicely. So if you're looking for some really, really nice candles that just smell great, yeah, try them out, man. So that about wraps things up for this fall favorites video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And now real quick, before I get out of here, I do want to just mention, make sure you keep your eyes peeled. Coming up real soon in the next few days, I've got my collaboration review that I've done on the Cavaliers channel for the Hudson and Maine products from Teaching Men's Fashion. So as soon as that goes live, I'll be sharing it in my community tab, so you guys definitely want to check that out. Got lots more content coming up here as well, lots more products to review coming down the line, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that stuff. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.